Welcome back or welcome to my home here in the Deep South. If you're new here, my name is Hope, and this is where I share my love of DIY projects around our property. I have a vision for my greenhouse that has always involved having a chandelier in it. However, I've not been able to find one that would work or that I'm willing to pay more than a certain amount for. After all, it could potentially be exposed to some weather since it would be out here in the greenhouse. So I really don't want to hang a very expensive fixture out here. Now last week I did a quick upgrade to a lantern pendant light that hangs in our foyer. So I guess maybe my creative juices were already flowing when I had this idea. Now, I don't know if you have this problem, but lately I'm awake during the night around 3 a.m. It's annoying, but at the same time, that's when I get some of my best ideas. So I guess that's a good trade-off. I started thinking about a group of wire hanging baskets that my cousin gave me when I had the idea hit me. What if I take one of those wire baskets, turn it upside down, and hang chandelier crystals off of it and make like a mock chandelier to hang in my greenhouse? I already had the crystals from an old discarded chandelier that someone left in a trash pile, which was a tragedy. So today, I'm working on this project to see if I can make it into something I can enjoy until I can find something better. So come hang out with me and let's see if we can make this idea work. So here it is in place, and I am happy with it. Now that it's hanging and I can see it and approaching the greenhouse, I love how it looks. I love the sparkle. So this was another successful DIY idea. So inexpensive. Literally, the basket was free, and the crystals, well, collecting them off of old chandeliers and things I literally would find on the side of the road, and I would keep the crystals. So, I mean, from free to fabulous, this is a pretty cool idea, and I am very excited about it. So, pat on the back. Well done. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you again on the next one. And if no one has told you today, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.